Hello everyone! Welcome to our exciting video today. I'm so thrilled to have you here with us. Today, we're diving into something fun and helpful. Get ready to learn, laugh, and enjoy every moment. Thank you for joining, and let's get started right now.
I like to eat apples.
I like to eat bananas.
The sky is blue today.
The grass is green.
I have a dog.
I have a cat.
The dog runs fast.
The cat sleeps a lot.
I go to school.
I go to the park.
School is fun.
The park is big.
I read a book.
I write a letter.
The book is good.
The letter is short.
I play with friends.
I play with my sister.
Friends are nice.
My sister is kind.
I drink water.
I drink juice.
Water is cold.
Juice is sweet.
I wear a shirt.
I wear a dress.
The shirt is blue.
The dress is red.
I see a bird.
I see a tree.
The bird flies high.
The tree is tall.
I like to run.
I like to jump.
Running is fun.
Jumping is easy.
I have a ball.
I have a kite.
The ball is round.
The kite is colorful.
I go home.
I go to bed.
Home is warm.
Bed is soft.
I watch TV.
I listen to music.
TV is loud.
Music is nice.
I have a brother.
I have a mother.
My brother is tall.
My mother is kind.
I eat breakfast.
I eat lunch.
Breakfast is good.
Lunch is tasty.
I like the sun.
I like the moon.
The sun is bright.
The moon is pretty.
I draw a picture.
I draw a picture.
The picture is nice.
The song is happy.
I ride a bike.
I walk to school.
The bike is fast.
The walk is short.
I have a pen.
I have a pencil.
The pen is black.
The pencil is yellow.
I like to learn.
I like to teach.
Learning is fun.
Teaching is good.
I see a car.
I see a bus.
The car is fast.
The bus is big.
I wear shoes.
I wear socks.
The shoes are new.
The socks are warm.
I like to swim.
I like to dance.
Swimming is fun.
Dancing is happy.
I have a bag.
I have a book.
The bag is heavy.
The book is thin.
I say hello.
I say goodbye.
Hello is nice.
Goodbye is sad.
I like today.
I like tomorrow.
Today is sunny.
Tomorrow is new.
I like to eat apples every morning.
I like to eat bananas with a silly grin.
The sky is blue and makes me happy.
The grass is green and tickles my feet.
I have a dog that barks a lot.
I have a cat that sleeps like a king.
The dog runs fast and chases his tail.
The cat sleeps a lot and dreams of fish.
I go to school with a big smile.
I go to the park and laugh with friends.
School is fun and full of books.
The park is big and has funny squirrels.
I read a book that makes me giggle.
I write a letter to my funny cousin.
The book is good and has silly stories.
The letter is short and full of jokes.
I play with friends who make me laugh.
I play with my sister who tells funny tales.
Friends are nice and always cheerful.
My sister is kind and loves to giggle.
I drink water that is very cold.
I drink juice that tastes like candy.
Water is cold and wakes me up.
Juice is sweet and makes me dance.
I wear a shirt that is super blue.
I wear a dress that twirls like magic.
The shirt is blue and looks funny on me.
The dress is red and makes me spin.
I see a bird that sings loudly.
I see a tree that sways in the wind.
The bird flies high and makes me laugh.
The tree is tall and hides my secrets.
I like to run around the yard.
I like to jump like a happy frog.
Running is fun and makes me tired.
Jumping is easy and makes me giggle.
I have a ball that bounces high.
I have a kite that flies with a grin.
The ball is round and rolls away.
The kite is colorful and dances in the sky.
I go home after a long day.
I go to bed and dream of fun.
Home is warm and full of love.
Bed is soft and makes me snore.
I watch TV with funny shows.
I listen to music that makes me dance.
TV is loud and full of laughter.
Music is nice and lifts my spirit.
I have a brother who tells jokes.
I have a mother who cooks tasty food.
My brother is tall and very silly.
My mother is kind and always smiling.
I eat breakfast with yummy eggs.
I eat lunch with a big sandwich.
Breakfast is good and starts my day.
Lunch is tasty and fills my tummy.
I like the sun that shines bright.
I like the moon that glows at night.
The sun is bright and warms my face.
The moon is pretty and makes me dream.
I draw a picture with funny faces.
I sing a song that makes me laugh.
The picture is nice and full of color.
The song is happy and easy to sing.
I ride a bike around the block.
I walk to school with a big smile.
The bike is fast and wobbles a bit.
The walk is short and full of fun.
I have a pen that writes smoothly.
I have a pencil that draws silly lines.
The pen is black and never stops.
The pencil is yellow and breaks easily.
I like to learn new funny words.
I like to teach with a big grin.
Learning is fun and makes me smart.
Teaching is good and makes me happy.
I see a car that honks loudly.
I see a bus that is very gig.
The car is fast and shiny too.
The bus is big and full of people.
I wear shoes that squeak a little.
I wear socks that keep me warm.
The shoes are new and make funny sounds.
The socks are warm and soft like clouds.
I like to swim in the big pool.
I like to dance with my funny moves.
Swimming is fun and cools me down.
Dancing is happy and makes me twirl.
I have a bag that holds my books.
I have a book that tells good stories.
The bag is heavy and full of stuff.
The book is thin and easy to read.
I say hello with a big wave.
I say goodbye with a little laugh.
Hello is nice and starts the day.
Goodbye is sad but full of hope.
I like today with its sunny sky.
I like tomorrow with new adventures.
Today is sunny and makes me smile.
Tomorrow is new and full of fun.
I like to eat apples and pretend I'm a clown.
I like to eat bananas and slip like a goofy monkey.
The sky is blue and winks at me today.
The grass is green and tickles my toes like a prank.
I have a dog that barks at his own shadow.
I have a cat that naps with a silly snore.
The dog runs fast and trips over his big paws.
The cat sleeps a lot and dreams of stealing pizza.
I go to school with a goofy backpack dance.
I go to the park and chase squirrels like a nut.
School is fun and full of silly teachers.
The park is big and has squirrels that tease me.
I read a book that makes me laugh out loud.
I write a letter to my crazy uncle who juggles.
The book is good and has a dancing dinosaur.
The letter is short and full of wacky jokes.
I play with friends who tell silly stories.
I play with my sister who does a funny wiggle.
Friends are nice and laugh at my bad jokes.
My sister is kind and giggles like a hyena.
I drink water that splashes on my face.
I drink juice that turns my tongue purple.
Water is cold and makes me shiver like a ghost.
Juice is sweet and makes me dance like a fool.
I wear a shirt that has a goofy monkey face.
I wear a dress that spins and trips me up.
The shirt is blue and looks like a clown suit.
The dress is red and makes me twirl like a top.
I see a bird that sings off-key on purpose.
I see a tree that waves at me like a weirdo.
The bird flies high and drops feathers on me.
The tree is tall and hides my silly hat.
I like to run and fall with a big laugh.
I like to jump and land like a clumsy frog.
Running is fun and makes me trip on air.
Jumping is easy and makes me hop like a bunny.
I have a ball that rolls into trouble.
I have a kite that flies and gets stuck in trees.
The ball is round and bounces off my head.
The kite is colorful and dances like a clown.
I go home with muddy shoes and a grin.
I go to bed and snore like a tractor.
Home is warm and full of funny noises.
Bed is soft and makes me drool a little.
I watch TV with shows that crack me up.
I listen to music that makes me wiggle oddly.
TV is loud and full of silly clowns.
Music is nice and turns me into a dancer.
I have a brother who farts like a trumpet.
I have a mother who cooks with funny spices.
My brother is tall and trips over everything.
My mother is kind and laughs at burnt toast.
I eat breakfast with eggs that giggle.
I eat lunch with a sandwich that falls apart.
Breakfast is good and sticks to my face.
Lunch is tasty and leaves crumbs everywhere.
I like the sun that burns my nose.
I like the moon that looks like cheese.
The sun is bright and gives me funny freckles.
The moon is pretty and winks at night.
I draw a picture with a wacky monster.
I sing a song that makes dogs howl.
The picture is nice and scares my cat.
The song is happy and off-key on purpose.
I ride a bike that wobbles like crazy.
I walk to school and trip over my shoes.
The bike is fast and throws me off.
The walk is short and full of silly stumbles.
I have a pen that leaks on my hand.
I have a pencil that draws goofy faces.
The pen is black and makes me a mess.
The pencil is yellow and breaks with a snap.
I like to learn with funny words.
I like to teach and make silly faces.
Learning is fun and makes me chuckle.
Teaching is good and makes kids laugh.
I see a car that honks like a goose.
I see a bus that squeaks like a toy.
The car is fast and scares my dog.
The bus is big and swallows people up.
I wear shoes that squeak like a duck.
I wear socks that slide off my feet.
The shoes are new and quack when I walk.
The socks are warm and make me slip.
I like to swim and splash like a fish.
I like to dance and trip over my feet.
Swimming is fun and soaks my hair.
Dancing is happy and makes me wobble.
I have a bag that eats my homework.
I have a book that tells silly tales.
The bag is heavy and burps sometimes.
The book is thin and has a laughing ghost.
I say hello with a goofy wave.
I say goodbye with a funny wink.
Hello is nice and starts with a laugh.
Goodbye is sad but ends with a grin.
I like today with its crazy weather.
I like tomorrow with its silly surprises.
Today is sunny and makes me sneeze.
Tomorrow is new and full of chuckles.
If you really learn English, please like, share, and subscribe.